Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve these effortless loose curls. If this is something that you're wanting to learn how to do, it's super easy. I actually love curling my hair and it usually lasts for about 2 days, which is really good because a bitch is lazy, okay? We take our time to be our face, but when it's time to do our hair, who wants to take forever? Because let's be real, you know you've already spent like an hour doing your makeup. Do you really want to spend another hour doing your hair? I do not. I hate doing my hair, so curling my hair is really easy for me. So yeah, so I'm pretty much going to show you how I achieve this look. If you have longer hair, it's still going to look curly, but it's kind of a wavy kind of look. So the finishing spray that I like to use is by Matrix. I did purchase this at Ulta and I really like it. I'm going to go ahead and brush out my hair. My hair is more on the drier side, so it tends to get tangly, so you want to make sure that you completely brush everything out. And I personally like to use a clip whenever I do any types of stylings to my hair, so that's just easier for me. And I'm just going to go ahead and separate a section. I do my hair in sections, that way I make sure to curl all of the hairs instead of leaving those little long strays. And sections, and I'm curling down with the wand. I do like to leave the curl cooling in my hand before I release it. This is just going to make my curls last a whole lot longer. Like I mentioned before, I'm using the Octo wand set from Nume. I'm using the 32mm inch barrel. Honestly, if you're just going to be doing loose curls, you really don't need to buy the Octo wand. The Octo wand is for like people that want to freelance, or if you really think you're going to use all the other barrels. If you don't think you're going to use the rest of the barrels, really don't even spend your money. It's a really great wand, but if you only need the biggest barrel and the medium length barrel, then just purchase one of the other ones that they carry.
So the way I put my hair usually decides on which eye looks better to you. Today is this eye one, so the hair is going this way. and when your eye starts crying, that's whenever you start panicking. Cause
It'll be like, and you're gonna need a brush. And if you don't have a brush, a bitch is gonna be shook, okay?
break it down. Bag it up.
It'll be in my video.
Whoa. This is always a struggle for me. I don't know why. Like, filming intros, I just cannot, like, get to the point. And I sound like I'm whispering because my boyfriend's in the living room and I feel like he can hear me, which makes me feel a little awkward. Hey everyone, welcome back. How I achieve these effortless. A bitch can't talk. Shit. Bitch.